First, the top news headlines. Intense pre-dawn gun battle erupts along Indo-Myanmar border, reportedly between militant groups. Manipur launches 24/7 anti-extortion cell with toll-free helpline to combat threats and ensure public safety. Renowned dancer Thiam Suryamukhi Devi becomes the only Manipuri to be conferred the prestigious Padma Shri this year for contributions to Manipuri dance. State celebrates 76th Republic Day with ground, state and district level events, flag hosting, cultural programs and unified patriotism. And Manipur opens account at the National Games ahead of official inauguration with Sarungbam Athoba clinching gold and Telhiba Soram securing silver. A very good evening. You're watching as Primetime English News. This is Suraj Khongbantabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. A fierce gun battle erupted to the early hours around 2:30 a.m. between two militant groups near border pillar number 87 along the Indo-Myanmar border, leaving at least 4 militant groups based on Myanmar dead and several others injured, according to a report published by a regional news firm. The skirmish reportedly unfolded along Kamjong district in Manipur on the Indian side and Kabo Valley in Myanmar. According to report, the gunfire, which lasted until 6 a.m., claimed the lives of at least 4 cadres of Myanmar-based group, while members of the other militant groups sustained injuries. Amid the chaos, a hideout was destroyed and 6 weapons were reportedly seized by other militant groups. Upon receiving the report, Indian security forces stationed along the border rushed to the site following the incident and immediately implemented preventive measures to prevent further escalation. The state government has announced the creation of an integrated anti-extortion cell under the Home Department aimed at addressing extortion-related crimes and ensuring public safety. The new initiative includes representatives from the State Police, Central Armed Police Forces, Assam Rifle and Army. A toll-free helpline 1800-202-3326 will be available 24/7 for citizens and officials to report incidents of extortion, including threats, calls, messages or demand letters from unlawful groups. In a press statement, Manipur's Chief Secretary Prasant Kumar Singh mentioned that reports indicate various individuals, including government officials, have been subjected to threats from such groups, creating a significant law and order challenge. The government has urged the public to report these threats to the anti-extortion cell, assuring prompt action. Citizens have also been advised to avoid unsafe locations. The Chief Secretary emphasized that the government of Manipur is committed to combating unlawful extortion activities and ensuring the safety of its people. A total of 139 Padma Awards were announced on the eve of Republic Day, including 7 Padma Vibhushan, 19 Padma Bhushan and 113 Padma Shri Awards. Among the awardees, the lone Manipuri to be honored with the Padma Shri was renowned dancer Thiam Suryamukhi Devi, recognized in the field of arts. Thiam Suryamukhi Devi, a prominent Manipuri dancer, was celebrated for her leadership in preserving and promoting the Manipuri dance form. A student of Guru Maisnam Amubi Singh, she was among the first Manipuri dancers to perform internationally in 2003. She received the prestigious Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended his congratulations to all the Padma awardees, praising their extraordinary achievements in a message posted on X. He expressed India's pride in honoring and celebrating the awardees' dedication and perseverance. He highlighted that each awardee exemplifies hard work, passion and innovation, positively impacting countless lives. Modi also emphasized that their contributions teach the value of striving for excellence and selfless service to society.
Ay sekadar saloy da dukang ay hui che agya kan tog da ba jaki adu bu jaki di ni ay power wa di kay no nung ay ba power tog jarak pa guru singi mapana pangyavani as rayam nungay je ki mamangda mo academy dili na suway kanodum bibi hai.
Manipur marked the country's 76th Republic Day with widespread participation across the state, joining the national celebrations. The state-level Republic Day celebrations for 2025 were held at the historic Kangla Fort, where Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla unfurled the national flag and took the salute from various march-past contingents. Among those present at the event were Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Cabinet Ministers, Members of Parliament, Members of the Legislative Assembly, the Chief Secretary, Security Advisor, Director General of Police and other senior civil and police officials. The celebration began with the Governor inspecting the Guard of Honor led by IPS Probationer J. Barange of Thobal District. Following this, Governor Bhalla unfurled the tricolour while the national anthem was played by the 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Band. The Governor then took the salute from 54 march-past contingents, including several band contingents commanded by Laishram Sarita Devi, SP Sports. In addition to the march-past, 10 cultural troops and 12 departmental tableaux, along with a special drive past by the Manipur Fire Service Department, also participated in the celebrations. In his vote of thanks, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh extended his best wishes to all the participants, including those from the march-past contingents, cultural troops, and schools and colleges. The Chief Minister emphasized that despite facing unprecedented challenges, the state government had continued its development initiatives. He highlighted that with the people's support and cooperation, the state is advancing toward development at a faster pace. The Chief Minister also called on the people of Manipur to prioritize the protection and safeguarding of the state, urging them to contribute to strengthening both Manipur and India as a whole. He appealed for collective efforts to help make India one of the world's superpowers. The day was also celebrated in the districts of Manipur, with each district administration organizing their own events. The district-level celebrations featured flag-hosting ceremonies, cultural programs, and march-past with local officials, including district commissioners, police officers, and other administrative staff overseeing the proceedings. On Republic Day, Manipur police successfully recovered a significant cache of firearms, ammunition, and explosives during a search operation in the vulnerable fringes of the Hills district, specifically around the general area of Nepali Basti and the Vetum Khulen Khoken village road under the New Kaithal Manbi of Kangpokpi district. The recovered items included a 5.56 mm Heckler & Koch G3 rifle, a modified .303 sniper, a .22 pistol, a single-barrel rifle, 2 improvised mortars, 5 live rounds of .303 ammunition, 2 Chinese hand grenades, and a Motorola handset Bufang. The operation highlights the ongoing efforts of the Manipur police to maintain peace and security, especially in vulnerable regions, and is a significant achievement in countering illegal arms and explosives circulation in the state. The 110th birth anniversary of Rani Gaidinliu was observed at Rani Gaidinliu Park in Mantripukri, with Chief Minister N. Biren Singh paying tribute to the iconic leader. In his social media post, the Chief Minister praised Rani Gaidinliu's indomitable spirit, highlighting her significant contributions to India's freedom struggle and her commitment to preserving the cultural heritage of her people. He urged that her legacy continue to inspire future generations, ensuring her contributions remain deeply cherished. The 110th birth anniversary of Rani Gaidinlu was also observed by the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC at Congress Bhavan in Imphal. The event was led by the leader of the Congress Legislature Party Okrami Bobi, along with MPCC President K. Meghachandra and other prominent leaders of the party. During the commemoration, the leaders paid homage to the freedom fighter, recognizing her unwavering commitment to India's independence and her pivotal role in preserving the cultural identity of her people. They highlighted her courage, resilience, and significant contributions to the struggle against British colonial rule, stressing the importance of passing her legacy down to future generations. While Republic Day celebrations were held statewide, multiple sit-in protests took place in several locations under the Lamlai Assembly constituency in Imphal East, expressing deep grievances against the ongoing crisis in Manipur. Protesters stated that it was not the time to celebrate Republic Day when the state continues to grapple with a prolonged period of unrest. The protests were observed at locations including Sabung Khok, Khongnang Makhong, Saizang, Nongada Keithel, Channa Lamlai Bazar, Pungdong Bam Bazar, and Yorbung Primary School, among others. Demonstrators called for the restoration of peace in the state, which has been marred by conflict for over a year and 8 months. The unrest has led to the displacement of more than 60,000 people. Protesters demanded the immediate resettlement of those displaced and voiced their opposition to the alleged suppression of the Imagi Meira leader T.H. Sujata. The protesters also raised concerns over the mysterious disappearance of Kamal Babu from the Laymakhong military base and called for his rescue. Speaking to media, the protesters expressed their disappointment, stressing the need for the government to address the ongoing crisis and ensure the safety and rights of the people of Manipur.
Maitai ama oina adugi awaba nungaiba sarukto yaningdre maramdi nungaiba saruk yaba haiba posida relief camp da lairiba imet 60,000 70 muksida mukhoida phawriba nungaitaba photo akoina nungaitaba saruktu oina yaminazarage aduna maram oiraga phamjabani haiba wafamduni thamjariba pose
lanjina loirba matung relief camp da lairiba sing amadi akoigi india government na khoi manipur se sak khangbiraba matam haibadi akoina wakatjabada tabiraba matam do adudaida akoi india ye republic day saru yajagani aduga akoi bungakpi senbinena laiba india gi army chingna ngasi mara leijadaba kamal babu phagiba ase ngasi bangmangda langwalang khangna leiri aduga lan lepa laitriba mara achida akoina karamna republic day gi haraukta yamse yaujagani aduna akoi matam khara yaujagiroi haiduna akoi ngasi darna chi phamjaban
Laymakhong da lairiba army camp da mangiba kamal gi asiba hakang sirabra changabra haba ngasibo ba khangan bangamdi masida akoina india gi nungaiba republic day sida akoi saruk yaba ngamdaro aduna akoina la loiraba asiguma akoi gi lili camp da lairiba awana taraba miyo singa sibu magi le phamdam phamjana hanjinbiraba lan garoiba waro sipura piraba aduga ningtamba korahan biyo haina akoi gi india sarkar da saruk yajage haina ngasigi republic day se saruk yajara habase akoina pungdukse.
The Cultural Research and Eco-Development Institute CREDI today announced the launch of a certificate course and a one-year diploma course in Meitei Jagoi, Meitei Maiba and Artistic Yoga beginning this February 9th. The courses aim to promote and preserve the rich cultural heritage of Manipur while providing professional training in traditional arts and yoga. The announcement was made by N. Ibuhol, the president of the institute, during a press briefing at the Manipur Press Club. He highlighted the importance of these courses in the preservation and promotion of Meitei culture, emphasizing that the institute seeks to offer students a deeper understanding of the cultural traditions of the region as well as a pathway to professional opportunities in the field. This certificate course will focus on foundational knowledge and practical skills in Meitei Jagoi, Meitei Maiba and artistic yoga, while the one-year diploma course will offer more in-depth training. The institute is open to both men and women who have completed their Class 12 education. In addition to the cultural curriculum, the institute also aims to foster awareness and responsibility for maintaining the health and well-being of individuals through artistic yoga practices. The courses are expected to play a key role in enriching the local community's engagement with Manipuri art, culture, and wellness practices.
Master of Science in Joga, even PhD Joga, Usasi faculty and Happy Daraga, when Masimso, Oxina, I think Pandama, Tamaga, Oxaba, Havasim Sokotam Day, Rosapo, Hana, Ali Rosam, Mama, on the PhD Palaso. The dance academy Simba in Consulta, the Digi, from the Ashura Subichana, Water Leisure, and Masigi, Haiva, subject Marie, and disciplinary Shida. In
culmination of the National Road Safety Month 2025, the District Administration of Kamjong today organized a commemorative event at the Town Hall of Kamjong DHQ. The event, which attracted a large gathering, focused on promoting road safety awareness. The chief guest, Rangnamai Rang Peter, Deputy Commissioner of Kamjong, lauded the enthusiasm of participants in the various road safety programs held throughout the month. In his address, he emphasized the critical role of various agencies in managing public roads and stressed the importance of key measures for road safety. He also urged the youth to play an active role in spreading awareness to reduce accident fatalities and injuries. H.L. Jain, ADC Kamjong, welcomed the gathering and highlighted the significance of understanding traffic rules and regulations to protect public life and ensure safer roads. Ningshen Vasum, SP Kamjong, who was the guest of honor, called on everyone to take collective responsibility for road safety, stressing that it should be a shared effort from both young and old to create a safe environment for all. The event also included the prize distribution for the district-level quiz and painting competitions. The program saw active participation from students, CSO leaders, headmen, pastors, and youth from surrounding villages. Later in the day, the chief guest and guest of honor led a public rally from Town Hall Kamjong to Police Gate with hundreds of participants promoting road safety awareness. The rally aimed to spread the message of road safety to the general public. National Road Safety Month observed from 1st January to 31st January 2025 seek to highlight the importance of safer roads for all under the theme, Be a Road Safety Hero. A free health camp was organized by the Ilangbam Suraj Singh Memorial Trust on the occasion of Republic Day held at Mahabali Kabuikul. The camp was initiated by Nita Arambam, wife of the late ISCOM MLA Ilangbam Suraj, and Dr. Ilangbam Boris, son of the late MLA. The camp successfully treated 200 patients, including both children and the elderly, providing medical care and support to the local community. Nita Arambam expressed her commitment to continuing the philanthropic work initiated by her late husband, Ilangbam Suraj, and highlighted the importance of such initiatives in improving healthcare accessibility for all. The administration of the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS Imphal, has issued a statement addressing concerns regarding routine maintenance activities within the RIMS hospital premises. It has been highlighted that certain organizations and individuals have been attempting to interfere with this essential maintenance task. The administration strongly emphasizes that such interference is unwarranted and disrupts the smooth functioning of institutional operations. The RIMS authority has condemned these actions, viewing them as counterproductive to the institution's mission of providing quality services to the community. They have urged all parties to refrain from interfering in internal maintenance and operational activities. The administration reaffirms its commitment to ensuring the proper upkeep and efficient operation of the institution for the public's benefit. In their statement, RIMS encourages stakeholders to communicate any suggestions or concerns through official channels rather than resorting to unauthorized intervention. They seek cooperation and understanding from all involved parties in maintaining the integrity of their work. For further inquiries or information, stakeholders are advised to contact the RIMS administration through official channels. An awareness campaign on the minorities welfare scheme was held at the Umar Wali Masjid compound in Santhel Khong Mapal, Kangching district. The event, organized by the Manipur State Minorities Commission in collaboration with the Santhel Khong Mapal Club, aimed to raise awareness about the benefits of the scheme for the welfare of minorities. The event was attended by ex-MLA Muhammad Fazur Rahim of Wabugai Assembly Constituency, Chairman of the Manipur State Minorities Commission Muhammad Anwar Hussain, and former ward member of Hayal Hangun GP Muhammad Ningthem. The attendees addressed the importance of the scheme in uplifting the minority communities in the region. Ex-MLA Muhammad Fazur Rahim highlighted that the scheme offers essential support to the minorities and urged the local community to take full advantage of the opportunities it provides. He also emphasized the need to promote awareness about the welfare scheme and encourage community members to come forward and make use of the available resources for their benefit.
Minority department sina Praja mayam do thigatuba kanaba phanghangaduba Praja sina effect problem sida ina phanghaduba nungai phanghaduba haribi scheme sina si phanghaga laibi minority ki laibi mayam sina se asumena nungai phanghaduba tumba ekoi tani ngi pisuli ko program asi Maramdi haribi department sina suti ba adi ngamdaba makoi department sigi woi phanga ayamba laiba ekoi minority ki mopi talaiba wa ko talaiba ayam sina napi garabri oiba aduna haribi department sina asi koi tawgudu thabuk thoram sina sida koi su tang kai tare mayam kari haide thage kirang koi su chamam daba.
A college-level symposium competition on the UN theme for World Wetlands Day 2025, Protecting Wetlands for Our Common Future, was held at Tamenglong College. The event was organized by the Internal Quality Assurance Cell IQAC of the college in collaboration with the Directorate of Environment and Climate Change. The principal of the college, Kinthui Zinang Marimmai, delivered the opening remarks, while Namsurei Thomas Kamai, coordinator of the IQAC, gave the concluding remarks at the end of the event. Jury members for the competition included Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Political Science Ninglu and Ng Taukinglung. The event was moderated by guest faculty Pao Khonggong. Paukong Dinliu Niumai, a third semester BSc student, was declared the winner of the competition and was selected to represent the college at the state level competition scheduled to be held on 30th January 2025 in Imphal. Winners and participants were presented with trophies and appreciation certificates. The event was attended by both the staff and students of the college. Assam Rifles, under the aegis of the Ministry of Home Affairs, organized an exhibition cum Millets Mela at Lightcore today to raise awareness about the benefits of millets as a sustainable and nutritious food source. The event saw enthusiastic participation from Assam Rifles personnel and their families. The Millets Mela was inaugurated by Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera, Director General Assam Rifles. Renowned as the Millets Man of India, Padma Shri Dr. Khadar Wali awardee, sharing his expertise on the health benefits and diverse uses of millets. The event showcased a wide array of millet-based products presented by government and private organizations as well as innovative startups. Key participants included the National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation of India, National Cooperative Consumers Federation of India Limited, Pansari Industries, Marbin Food Processing, Kodo Bazar Federation Farmer Producer Company Limited, Headquarter-inspired Shillong-based startup, and Aprins Guwahati-based startup. From traditional millet dishes to contemporary recipes, the exhibition highlighted the culinary versatility of this ancient grain, blending health and taste seamlessly. Experts in nutrition and agriculture were invited to discuss the environmental and health advantages of millets, emphasizing their pivotal role in enhancing food security and promoting sustainable agriculture. In sports today, Manipur opened its first medal account at the 38th National Games after Sarungbam Athoba Meitei registered a remarkable win in the men's triathlon event. Telhaiba Soram added to Manipur's tally by winning the silver medal. The event, comprising swimming, cycling and running, started ahead of the official games opening tomorrow. Athoba completed the race in 1 hour, 1 minute and 1 second, displaying impressive precision across all disciplines. The state triathletes representing the state are Sarungbam Athoba Meitei of Imphal West, Telhaiba Soram of Imphal East and Bizen Kumar Laikhuram of Imphal East, while women triathletes are Nomaithem Nelshi Devi of Imphal East, Sweetie Nomaithem of Imphal West and Maibam Binita Chanu of Kakching. Athoba and Telhaiba will also compete in duathlon, men's and mixed relay, while Bizen Kumar will be in reserve. Similarly, Nelshi Devi and Sweetie will participate in triathlon women's, duathlon women's and mixed relay, while Maibam Binita Chanu will be in reserve. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Intense pre-dawn gun battle erupts along Indo-Myanmar border between militant groups, leaves at least 4 dead, hideouts destroyed and weapons seized. Manipur launches 24/7 anti-extortion cell with toll-free helpline to combat threats and ensure public safety. Renowned dancer Thiam Suryamukhi Devi becomes the only Manipuri to be conferred the prestigious Padma Shri this year for contributions to Manipuri dance. State celebrates 76th Republic Day with grand state and district level events, flag hosting, cultural programs and unified patriotism. And Manipur opens account at the National Games ahead of official inauguration, with Sarungbam Athoba clinching gold and Telhaiba Soram securing silver. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching ICE News and good night.